overpriced.
So now we're gonna use what we have left, and
Let's cut one more of these.
we're gonna, I don't know what they're making now.
You washed these ones, right?
Yeah, I washed all of them. That was my contribution. I washed the veggies. What are you making now? What are they called?
We're gonna make some, what's it called? Spanakopita.
Kind of.
Yeah, type of Spanakopita.
Leek spine.
What?
Kind of leek spine.
Oh, okay. Cool. Yummy.
What do you say?
In goes the dill.
What are those?
And now the parsley.
Time.
Oh, thyme. Did you even put parsley in the other one?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know?
See, I like lots of this stuff. Martina doesn't.
No, it's getting bitter.
Yeah. Where's that? There it is. Parsley, you can put lots of.
Yeah. No limit.
No limit to parsley.
Especially oregano and thyme can get very bitter. If you don't watch the amount.
Okay. Now we don't have any more feta. We do, but we want for the salad.
Oh, okay.
So
We have no more cheese.
Let me get Dimitri's face when you say we have normal cheese.
We have marble cheese. Marble cheddar cheese.
Marble cheddar cheese, yeah.
that stuff is overpriced and it's garbage. Garbage. Unhealthy, plastic, garbage.
Plastic garbage.
Feta cheese is the only thing. Chlorotiri.
And parmesan.
Parmigiano.
So we're gonna make homemade phyllo.
Now, of course, Stacy doesn't bake a lot, so she doesn't have a real roller. Got this plastic toy.
Okay, that one was my
Halloween.
mom's. And yeah, I just,
Okay. So
I
how
don't
many?
know.
5? 6?
6.
Okay, so 1.
You don't have cups.
I have measuring cups. I have measuring cups.
4,
You can use measuring cups.
5.
Okay, so when you try to do this, guys, just look at
6
Dimitri's
of it.
hand and try to try to measure
Dimitri's
six
Cut it in the montage.
six of Dimitri's handfuls.
You make a hole in the middle.
I'm gonna need the
Give me that. How much?
Tablespoon. Tablespoon.
Tablespoon.
That's a big tablespoon.
How much?
Pinch.
A pinch.
Pinch. Pinch.
The big pinch.
Moderation.
Easy.
Careful.
Are you okay, Shola?
Okay, and then we just, yeah, I just bumped him a little bit.
Yeah.
And we just
then
do this
You do this.
until it gets into little clumps.
Watch out. He's getting.
So this is the consistency we're looking for.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot to take off.
Yeah. Okay.
Kind of like a pie crust consistency. Just added a bit of warm water.
You don't want it to get wet. You want it to be almost hard to touch. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So how many can we make? 3 out of this, maybe?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put my. I love Ice Age. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so. We can make.
3 layers.
Start with this one. So it's important to start with a good shape, I suppose, because if you don't, it kind of spreads. And if we have a marble one at home, it's huge.
See, technically we're supposed to put water in it,
Yeah.
but the boys played with it and the cap broke. See, this roller is probably the same age as me. My mom got it from Tupperware, I think, like a long time ago. And I don't know what happened to my roller. Honestly, maybe it broke or something, and I ended up borrowing this from my mom maybe a couple
this
years
roller
ago.
is not working very well for me right now.
And yeah, so yeah, it's definitely time for a new roller, a new rolling pin. Anybody watching want to donate? By all means, professional rolling pin needed.
This was clean, right?
Yes, Dimitri, it was cleaned.
Well, you're gonna eat it. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need a
Well,
real
yeah.
baking roller thingy. I mean, you get the idea. Oh, brother. Yeah, it's not working very well with this one. Because normally, you know, if you have a good heavy one, like the marble one we got at home, it opens up very, very nice.
Oh, yeah.
I can make it like this big and thin.
And thin, very thin.
Very thin. You can see through it. But not with this one. Oh, brother. You can make little pies with these.
Yeah.
See, I'm gonna go only this way because if you had
You can
another
make
roller,
small.
yeah, I'll make small little
Yeah.
nibbits.
You can use this.
Oh,
No.
you can try.
Yeah, oh,
It's gonna
he's already
break
put it on there.
and
No, you can.
I'm not trying that. It's gonna break. All right, you want to put some mozzarella in this?
Mozzarella.
Well, you said you got some mozzarella.
Not mozzarella, marble.
You
Marble.
want to put some marble in this?
I don't know.
It's up to you. You're
It's
the
up
Greek
to you.
man.
You're the.
Okay, do it now.
It's your reputation.
It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good.
Got a little block in here. We'll make 3 of these.
Put cheese on it. And don't use marble like if you're gonna do it.
Try
Use
to make
feta.
like a pouch.
Yeah.
Use feta,
Yeah, feta.
not marble.
And yeah, try
You got a little
fold it.
pouch.
Okay.
Oh, look at that. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, I want that.
Okay, hold on. So we need another pan. Okay, so I'm gonna use a little bit of olive oil.
Eggs.
Ah, no, not on this, baby. It's the real deal, so it's not gonna. Okay, cool.
So we just put the egg yolk on top of the stuff again. I can't wait to eat. Starting to smell really, really good in here. I can't wait to eat. My stomach is growling. So Greek salad now. Original, true Greek salad. Start with fresh
I used to cut
tomatoes.
these, but whatever.
Oh,
Kit Kat.
Yeah.
This is the department for 4 months, so this is your 4 months.
So, do this.
I'll talk to you guys then. Oh, sure, it's doing well. Thanks.
cucumber.
Alright, love you. To the kids.
All right. So now what are we adding?
Yeah.
Thyme.
Because then
And oregano.
Like during the weekdays, it's by the time we get back from work and if it might be too early for them. I just,
His name is Tony.
And a little dill.
his name is what? Tony? Tony, oh, that's my...
This is the feta.
Oh,
all boys.
I get some olive oil in here.
okay, right.
Okay, pour some slowly around, all the way around. Good. Okay, we need some salt. Hold on, right here.
And vinegar.
Yeah.
Ooh, good thing we bought that.
Yeah. Well, I thought you would have all this stuff.
Nope.
Oh yeah.
It's optional.
At least now you know, right?
The vinegar
Not
is
optional. It's
It's not the original. It's optional.
it's necessary.
It's optional.
We always add vinegar. Okay, hold on. Some more salt.
Real Greek salad, people.
A little bit more olive oil, just a touch. Just sprinkle
And
it
put some. Don't forget.
all around.
He won't forget.
And some, yeah. All around. Whoa.
Did I put too much?
Yeah, good. And some pepper. Made to perfection. Okay.
And this is the finished product.
Perfect. So we got a little bit of vinaigrette, whatever it's called.
Dimitri wants me to clean.
Yeah.
He said he did all the cooking, so now
And the cleaning one.
and the cleaning one, so now we gotta clean. I think I vote for this guy over here. Since this guy cooked, this guy will clean.
Whatever.
Yeah. I'm taking a day off.
Is that the rules in this house?
That's the rules of
We
this
got the
house.
opposite rules. One person cleans,
My day
one
off.
person cooks.
I ain't cleaning. Not today. We are hungry. It smells so good in here. And I just can't wait. And Martina?
Can't wait to just eat Spanakopita and Greek Salad.
Yes. Yum.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I can smell it. I can't wait to eat it.
This guy here is gonna pass out pretty soon. What's wrong? You wanna eat?
It'll be done in like a couple of
It'll
minutes.
be done real soon. There it is. There it is. There it is, guys. Yum. Yum, yum. Yumminess. Pure yumminess. Seriously, don't know how good it smells in here right now. It smells so good. What do you think?
Like number
Really
one.
good. Awesome.
You enjoying it? Shia? Yeah?
And we know what Shai wants to do. He wants to dip bread in there once he's good to go.
No, don't know what I was doing.
What?
So Uncle Demola Pop's older brother and Amber.
Wow.
I think that's when he appreciated his son a lot more.
Totally delicious. Thank you, Dimitri. Thank you, Martina.
Thank you guys, this is delicious.
Thank you, Timmy.
Thank you for having us.
Thanks for
If you guys can come over anytime you want.
If you're trying to
Just
cook,
if you want to cook, don't even call. Just show up. You know. Dessert time.
Big eyes.
What?
Because that's what it means in Greek.
Yummy dessert time.
We have a lot of Yorubas have a lot of
Check it out. Find out.
Greek
Greek
meat
words.
and Yoruba meat are very
I know. It's very.
Somebody's enjoying his dessert.
Hold on. Timitokbe.
Timitokbe.
Quack.
Timitokbe.
It's
Wait.
something.
Wait. I'm saying it right.
No, you're getting closer. Where?
Wait.
It's something less
Where?
Wait.
Where?
Wait.
Where?
Timitokbe.
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 Close. Timitokbe. Adeogba.
Adeogbas.
Oh, you get the Adeogba very well.
Adeogbas.
Olushola.
Olushola.
Timitokbe.
Timitokbe. Adeogba. Olushola.
Adeogba.
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 Oh, you gotta say it if you're a man. Adeogba. No, it's a tribe thing. Adeogba.
Let's go from the chair. Adeogba.
Adeogba. Yeah.
We had a good time, lots of laughs, really great food. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you all know how to make a nice Spanakopita and a real Greek salad. And thanks a lot for watching. Bye.